don't squeeze it too tight. Just hold it very tight, but not too tight. Yeah. Exactly. And we're going to try the basic set again. So we're going to do the basic one. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3. So basically, all I'm going to do, I'm going to step out with a 4. So we can get space out together so we can turn. Okay? So it's 3, 2, 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm doing 8 count to separate ourselves. So we're going to do another 8 count to spin to the left. Got it? Huh?
So to be able to do that turn, you got to separate from your partner. So what you're going to do is set back for 8 counts, or it could be 4 counts, but we're going to do 8 counts. Step back for 8 counts, and then your partner's going to give you a cue to turn. And it's going to be the same turn that we did, separate. Okay, so you're going to do the turn to the right, and then turn back.
What I used to do to when I'm turning her, I go like this. I start. So she knows 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then pull out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and spin. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You got this? Oh, so another one. Okay, another one. So we go a little slower this time, okay? And 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,